Hello students, I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will make pencil stand with waste plastic bottle. We need cutter, pencil, eraser, scale, marker, stapler, favicol and signing sheet of various color. Now draw oval on the back of green signing sheet like this. Now draw a straight line which will be pasted here. Cut it like this and cut the oval too. Now take your sketch pen or draw the hands of the frog. Cut it. It will be pasted like this. Now it is time to make legs of frog. Draw slowly and nicely. Cut it. Now on the back of silver sheet, draw two oval and cut two ice ball from black sheet. Like this. Cut oval from yellow sheets. And frog mouths from red sheet. Like this. Student, cut it carefully. Cut two small hearts from red sheet like this. Now we will assemble all the parts together like this. And yellow dots. Do the same with hands. Now when all parts are ready, like this. Cut the plastic bottle. Staple the stripe on top and bottom. Glue the hands. Paste the head. Add the legs. Now your pencil stand is ready. You can also add hearts to make it more beautiful. Students, you can keep anything in it. You can tape a string at the back if you want to hang it. In this way, you can make your own pencil stand. Click the photograph and send it to your class teacher.